Welcome. My name is Hannes Lindfred, and today I will talk about the digital adoption solution for the 3D Experience platform called Light My Way, developed by TECHNIA. The first version of Light My Way will be released in September this year, and at the end of this video, I will share an opportunity for you to already now join an early adopters program for Light My Way. This video is for those that are using any app inside of the 3D Experience platform today, on-premise or on cloud. And at the end of this webinar, I hope to have aligned the benefits of equipping your 3D Experience installation with a digital adoption solution and the reasons why that solution should be Light My Way from TECHNIA. After giving you a brief background on Light My Way, I will demonstrate some of the functionality inside of a 19x out-of-the-box 3D Experience environment. However, if you would like a full demonstration and a discussion in context of your organization or your installation of 3D Experience, we are happy to schedule a more focused demonstration and a discussion with you very soon. First, so the idea about Light My Way was born around 2 years ago. And to anchor the idea with reality, we made a poll at the TECHNIA PLM Innovation Forum in Stockholm 2 years ago, asking 300 customers and prospects that were there if this type of solution would be interesting to them. 70% said yes, and here we are. The product will be released in September 2020. So what is Light My Way? Light My Way is a digital adoption solution. And what is a digital adoption solution? Well, the definition was partly introduced by Gartner with a description saying that it is a new category of technology that helps employees get the most out of their application portfolio. These solutions assist employees with complex business processes, tasks that are infrequently performed, and internal change management activities. So as with all TECHNIA software, the reason for them are either to increase our customers' productivity, their user adoption, and always to reduce their costs. But more specifically, what are the concrete problems and pain points that we're targeting with Light My Way and digital adoption solutions in general? In short, we are targeting the cost of onboarding new employees into new systems and processes. We're targeting to be able to reduce costly classroom trainings and retrainings whenever functionality changes. The same with the cost of creating and maintaining user documentation and user guides for each system. We are targeting the support department who can work more proactively, avoiding multiple support issues of the same kind when they use a DHS. And sometimes, where previously customization has been the answer to usability problems, maybe your users will accept the non-customized views if they get proper guidance in the system. Let me show you how Light My Way looks inside of a 19x out-of-the-box 3D Experience installation. First of all, Light My Way is a layered solution on cloud, which does not require access to your application server of 3D Experience. Here, I merely use a Google Chrome extension. This means that changes to Light My Way, such as creating new instructions, can be rolled out instantly, independent of PLM release. Light My Way can automatically detect context, such as type. I will show you in a minute. It supports complex dynamic processes, such as the change process, and it also makes it possible for an end user to start an instruction in the middle of a process, since the solution detects where you are. This is why we claim that Light My Way is the digital adoption solution for the 3D Experience platform. As you see to the right here, I have two tabs. One is called Light My Way and one is called Admin. The Admin tab is only available for the author, the person who creates guides in the solution. Let us take a look inside what the end user will see. As you see here, I have created 3 scenarios here in my environment, and I can, as an end user, enable the create part guide here. As you see at the top here, I get an instruction, what to do, where to click. The system guides me how to create a part. It also continues to guide me when I open up the create form and we hit OK. Light My Way now detects that I've changed context from the global landing page to being in context of a part. Now the change process instruction is available and the system guides me what to do in order to initiate the change process. And it continues to guide me inside of the create form and will continue to guide me throughout the process. However, I will not show you the change process today. I'm happy to do that in a follow-up call. But what I will show you is how to configure these type of instructions. For example, let us take the setup change order instruction, which we were just instructed by. It is quite simple. I am now in the administrator or authoring view, and what I do to select the UI element where the instruction should be, I press select and I control click in the user interface, and now I switch the element. Super simple, doesn't require much skills, very intuitive. I can also modify the instruction like this, directly in the user interface. I can add conditional elements. This means basically I want this instruction to show when I see this in the user interface, or I don't want this instruction to show when I see this in the user interface. But most importantly, what you see down here, Light My Way detects that I am in context of a part. That means that I can make this instruction only available to when a user is in context of a part. The same, Light My Way detects that my part is in state in work, and I can select if this instruction is only applicable to a part when it is in state in work. Same with the category. On the category to the left here, Light My Way detects that we are in context of change management. I can make this instruction only applicable for when users are in context of change management. And sometimes maybe we want an instruction only to be applicable when we have an empty table here. In this context, maybe when we don't have any existing change orders in this table, then I can select this option. I hit save and I can push this instruction directly out to the users. It has nothing to do with the backend of 3DEXPERIENCE. Let's do a new instruction as a trial here. Let's call it test. Test. We select a UI element here. And we write, this is our test instruction. We make it available only for parts that are in state in work, and parts that are in the category change management. We add it to the use case change process. We hit save. We go to the end user view. We enable the change process, and here it comes. So the product Light My Way will be generally available in September 2020. It will, of course, have some limited support during the first release. We will support Google Chrome, and we will support some of the newer 3DEXPERIENCE platform releases. However, we will support on cloud and on-premise already from the start. We have currently 2 early adopters who have joined our early adopters program. We are open for more companies to sign up. We want to receive your input, we want to hear about your needs, and we want you to prioritize our backlog. Please get in contact with your local sales representative or contact me directly. You can see mine and my colleagues' contact details on this screen. We are also happy to follow up like my way together with you and discuss the product and what it can do for you with your 3DEXPERIENCE installation and your specific processes. Thank you very much for watching this video.